Zorin OS Pro Review. Is this Linux OS worth using? If you're exploring alternatives to mainstream operating systems and have come across Zorin OS Pro, you might be wondering whether it's worth using, especially if you're new to Linux or considering a switch from Windows or macOS. This review will walk you through what Zorin OS Pro offers, how it performs, and key factors to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Zorin OS Pro is a premium edition of the Zorin OS family, a desktop Linux distribution known for its user-friendly design, Windows-like interface options, and focus on ease of use. The Pro version builds on the free edition with extra features, premium layouts, additional apps, and enhanced support options. Getting started with Zorin OS Pro is typically straightforward. After purchasing and downloading the ISO, you create a bootable USB drive, install the OS alongside or in place of your current system, and configure basic settings like language, keyboard layout, and user account. The installer is designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. One of the biggest selling points of Zorin OS is its visual flexibility. It offers multiple desktop layouts that mimic the look and feel of Windows or macOS, which helps users transitioning from those ecosystems feel right at home. The OS is also built on a stable Ubuntu base, which means access to a large library of software and solid security updates. Performance and responsiveness matter a lot in daily use. Zorin OS Pro is designed to run well on both modern and older hardware, making it appealing if you want to revive an older PC without sacrificing usability. From web browsing and office, work to media playback and light gaming, many users find performance smooth and reliable. Another important factor is software availability. Thanks to its Ubuntu roots, Zorin OS supports a wide range of applications through the built-in software store, snap packages, and traditional Debian packages. This means you can install everything from productivity tools to creative software with relative ease. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Zorin OS Pro shines with its approachable design and flexibility. The customizable desktop layouts help users transitioning from Windows or macOS feel comfortable quickly. And the Ubuntu Foundation ensures software compatibility and stability. On the downside, the cons focus on cost and specialized needs. The Pro Edition requires a purchase, which may not appeal to users who prefer free solutions or don't need the extra features included in the premium bundle. Advanced Linux users might also find less control than in more hands-on distributions, and some niche professional applications may not be available natively. In summary, Zorin OS Pro is worth using if you want a polished, user-friendly Linux experience that's especially welcoming to beginners and those switching from other operating systems. Its performance, design flexibility, and software support make it a strong choice for everyday use, while the premium extras add value if you'll take advantage of them.